Today we're going to learn some texturizing techniques to finalize our haircut. After we finish the base haircut, we have blow dried the hair, flat iron it with the appropriate products to make the hair very stiff where it stands on its end when we begin to do the texturizing technique. First, I would like to talk to you about deep point cutting. I will be using a 7-inch shear so that I can go into the interior of the hair to make that texture happen. Take my scissors, and when you deep point cut, be sure that you are pulling back on your shear as you close them. This will reduce weight, put interior texture, and it will also put invisible layers throughout the hair. Taking vertical sections from the top through the nape, and what falls out, we will let fall out. And when we get to this last section, we will pull it over, direct it upward so that we will not disturb our face frame. This will give us more layers through the top and the interior of the haircut and leave the length around the face. If you feel like you have a little weight on the bottom, you can switch to your smaller shear and perform a procedure called channeling. So you're going to pinch it and you're going to slightly open and close your shears throughout the hair. It's going to create a bevel and it will flatten the hair out, remove some of the bulk that you may not get in your layering technique. You can also take this to another level and create a jagged perimeter line if you like that look. Another technique we can use, I'm going to stay with my smaller shear, and hold the hair up and come in and slightly slide out small pieces, and this will cut shorter pieces in there that will support the longer ones and give the hair lift. I'm going to go down 1 more inch. It's kind of fast movement, but I'm using a scooping motion and then slightly close my shear as I go through the hair. And you can see how it's freed the hair up and how much lift that we have in this hairstyle. We're going to talk about the fringe in the front. This is a very heavy weighted bang. You can also use the point cutting technique on shorter hair. I'm going to pull all her hair to the center profile area and take my shears and deep point cut so it will have layering in it instead of having it a one length bang. See how that freed up the shear, the fringe with the shorter shear? Another thing I like to do is I hold the fringe area out in the comb at about a 45-degree angle and go in and do a few straight in deep point cutting. Do not go in sideways, that will be notching. We're going in doing straight deep point cutting. You can see how much softer the fringe area is on the hair. Look how much more lift we have in this side of the hair as to this side, which we did not cut. So I'd like for you to go to your mannequins and try some of these techniques, and I will be around to help you with them. Thank you.